Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Happy to be with you again. And today, inshallah, we're going forward. Before we start, we're going through the compound letters. We're gonna just do a really quick test and see the most confusing letters and the most confusing shapes. Then we're going to move to the next lesson, inshallah. So today we have Abdullah with us to help us with this, inshallah. So I hope you remember last time we mentioned that we have compound letters. That means when we have like a word in Arabic, the letters should be connected, not like the English. So this what we declared last time, and this what we're gonna just go through it really quick. Okay. So first one, remember this one. What letters we have here?
We have lam and ha.
Perfect. We said last time that top letter always comes first, and this letter here is lam. Sometimes also we may have the same shape, but like gonna be for ba, ta, and noon, tha, like we may see it in the Quran like that. Okay, having a dot
Now,
with like uh beneath the letter, so and ha or kha or jim, any one of them, but like as we said, the top letter always comes first, which is the ba, then we have the ha after. Okay, the same thing if we have like this shape too, gonna be like the same. We also mentioned it last time, so the same. So we have also two letters. The top one comes first, which is the noon, then the next one, which is jim. So that was great. The next one here,
now, uh, ba, kaf, and ta.
perfect. So we have ba, kaf, and ta. So the shape of the kaf in the middle different from the kaf, the separate kaf or the kaf that comes at the end, right?
Now,
Right? Yeah, like this one is the separate and the same shape for the kaf when it comes at the end of the word. Okay. So the next one, like it's a little confusing too. This one here.
now, ba and meme.
Perfect. Yeah. This is ba and
Okay.
meme. This is one of the shapes for ba and meme, or one of the ways when we write them. So we may have them like this. We may have them like this. We may have them like the same one as we have here. Or sorry, let's make it like this. Okay. All of those are
Hmm.
ba, meme, ba, meme. So like what makes the meme special is the downward alif. Okay. So how about this one here?
That's ya and ya.
Perfect. Yes, that's it. So we have two letters. The first one gonna take the shape of the letter when it comes at the beginning. So basically we have one of the teeth is two dots beneath, which is literally yeah. So we may have it also like this. So yeah and yeah. We may have it like this. We have also yeah and yeah, or the same shape that we have here, yeah, with yeah after. And we also mentioned that last time. So the same, of course, for ba, ya, noon, ya, ta, ya, tha, ya. We may have the same shapes too. So coming here to this, let's say, yeah, this one here.
Ya, jim. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, focus.
That's a ta and a ya.
No, no, this is not yeah. Focus. We said
Oh,
last class that's ha, different shape of ha. When the ha comes at the end,
okay. Much.
it may take this shape according to the handwriting that we have. So this one is ha, this is also ha. And the same for this one, when we have two dots, it's gonna be ta marbuta, but this is also another shape of ta. Well, so the difference
Now,
again,
now.
if we have a line here, so if it was yeah, would be written like this. Okay, ta, yeah.
Yeah.
or the same shape we just mentioned, having it like this. The yeah, so the yeah comes down to the letter. But what we have here actually write it like this. Like, okay, it's close to this.
Mm.
We have the and has to the line and has also short neck here. Fine. The same for the da. We may have it also like the same in case of this one here. We have known da, so we may have it like this too. I'm sorry. Let's make it look good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we may have it like this. So
Mm.
down. Do you know this letter here?
Uh, raw.
Perfect. So this one of the shapes of the right too. And when it comes here, you know,
Yes, that's a yeah and a raw.
perfect. The same for the za, it may have the same shape as its sister ra. So that's great. Now I think we covered most of the like hard shapes. How about this one here?
Mm. Ba,
Hmm.
ha,
Nope,
dal.
this is not ha. Remember,
Hmm.
we said this is another shape for ha, for ayn, right? Like we said,
Okay, okay.
yeah, we may write ayn in the middle like this, or we may write it like this, right? Or even
Uh,
in case of writing, we may write it like this and leave it. Sorry. We may even write it like this. Okay. So this is ayn, this is ayn, this is also ayn. Ha is not convex like this one. Ha comes like this in the middle. This is always the shape of ha. Fine.
okay.
Okay. So how about
Now
this, and this one?
that is Hamza. They're all Hamza.
Yeah, perfect. They are all Hamza. They all take the same sound. When we have the vowels, they all take a, e, or u sound. Fine. So Hamza can come on top of the alif, beneath the alif, top of the waw, even beneath the waw. The same for the ya, on top or even beneath the ya too. So how about like this one here?
Uh, Qaf, Fa, and Lam.
Perfect.
Lam.
And lamb. Yes, that's it. So now I think now we covered all things that may have any confusion. So the next lesson is called الحروف المقطعة, or what we call it chub letters, that we have them like at the beginning of some surahs. So those letters actually got one of the rules, which we call it mad lazim. This is one of the rules of tajweed. We're gonna, inshallah, cover it in details when it comes to the tajweed, to the rule of mad lazim. But for now, we're gonna like go through how we can read it in Quran without even knowing the rule. Okay. So the chub letters, the idea about those letters that we're not giving them a vowel like a, e, or u. No, we read them, inshallah, while we read the Quran, we read them as a word. We deal with each one of them as a word. Like when I read this one here, I wouldn't give it any vowel. I would say alif, lam, mim. But for like applying the
Mm-hmm.
rule, when we have this sign of the mid, I need to extend it up to 6 seconds or six haraka, as we say in Tajweed, or 6 beats. Okay. So, like, that means I'm gonna say the alif as usual. I say it. I say this is alif. The next one, I'm not gonna say lam. I would make it extended up to 6 seconds or six harakas, saying lam. Fine. Same also for the meme. So anyone that has this wavy line on top of the chub letters, I would extend it to 6 harakas. Fine. So again, I will read the first one saying Alif Lam Mim. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So just I
Now.
extended the lam and the meme because they both got the wavy line with the mid. The details about the rule, again, we're going to declare it, inshallah, why we say it like this, or why we have to extend it like this. This is inshallah in tajweed. But for now, once I say it at the beginning, I need to focus which one that has a wavy line or not. The one that doesn't have, I'm just going to say it normally. Alif, lam, extending the one that has a wavy line. Okay? So for this one here,
Mm-hmm.
if we would focus, Alif doesn't have anything. The Lam has one, Meme, and Sad also. So I would say basically Alif, Lam, Meme, Sad. Fine.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So again, when I read it like I say Alif. I read the Alif as a word, Alif. Okay. The next one, Lam. Lam as a word, as I have a word like known as lam. The next one, meme. I also read it the same. Sorry, read it the same like as I have a word known as meme. Okay. For the last one, I
Mm-hmm.
say sod. But for now, like in case of the lam and the meme, if you focus, the lam ends with the meme. And the word meme starts with another meme. So this what we call actually idgham. We're gonna also declare it in tajweed, but like this what makes is a connection when I say the lam and the meme like after each other. I say lam meme. I didn't say two meme, I just said one meme, okay, as they were just one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So your turn to
Now,
try here. This one is easy.
Alif Lam Ra.
Yes. Alif Lam Ra. Fine.
Mm. Now,
Okay. So this is how we read it. So for this one here, it doesn't have anything. I'm gonna just say طه, and that's it. For anyone like this one, which is the beginning of Surah Maryam, I would say, can you say it? Or
now, Kaf Ha Ya
I, this
Sad.
is the letter is Ain, so I would say it as Ain.
Now, Ain.
Ain. Okay. So
Now,
again,
now,
saying that, I'm gonna.
would I say?
Mhm.
Now, I'm sorry. Would I say the ha and the yeah? Like, did I do that correctly?
Yeah,
Kaf
you did it
ha
correctly.
ya ain.
Yeah.
Okay,
So we
inshallah.
say it
Alhamdulillah.
like كاف ها يا عين صاد. Okay. There's other rules that may be like applied between each single letter and the one that comes after, but this small rules, inshallah, when it comes to tajweed, we're gonna declare every single thing about it, inshallah. So this is just for now, like as Torah. So this is what we call it again, chopped letters. Okay. So now we're moving to the vowels. The vowels we have are three vowels, fatha, kasra, and dhamma. So basically, fatha is a small dash that comes on top of the letters. It makes a sound. It adds to the letter a sound. For the kasra, it's a dash beneath the letter gets e sound. For the dhamma, it's like a small wow sign that gives oo. So basically, when it comes to alif here, I would say a, e, oo. For the ha, according to the vowel also, I will give a, e, or oo, like saying ha, he, who. Okay, so that's
Mm-hmm.
it. Like a thing about the dhamma, or like about the meaning of all the letters, like the vowels. The first vowel, which is fatha, it is called fatha because it needs the mouth to be opened, saying a, like the jaws open. A from the word in Arabic yaftah makes it open. A. But for the
Mm-hmm.
kasra, it makes e sound. They say in case of the kasra, it makes the low jaw, like the lower jaw, going like it's falling down. انخفاض. Okay, so we say E. E, you feel the lower jaw again goes down a little. For the Dhamma, what's important about the Dhamma actually, we need to focus in case of the Dhamma, we need to feel that the lips is circled. Saying ooh, ooh should be circled like this again. Saying this is really important to say again ooh,
Mm-hmm.
ooh, like ooh, boo, do goes. Actually, most of reciters like saying ooh, boo, do, do without making the lips circled. And this is actually calling it like deficiency in the letter. Okay, we're not getting the
Mm-hmm.
letter its right of pronunciation. So when we have the lamma, we need to make sure that the circle is well, the lips is well circled, saying ooh, ooh. Even in case of
Mm-hmm.
the med, we say also ooh. Inshallah, we're gonna come to the med. Okay, so this is the note that I have for the lamma. It's really important to feel your mouth really circled or strongly circled. So for the
Mm-hmm.
ayn, again with the fatha, kasra, and dhamma, it takes a sound added. So we're gonna have a, ri, ru. Same for ha
Mm-hmm.
letter, ha, hi, hu. So can you go from ghain?
نعم نعم غا غي غو
Yeah, that's great. So we'll focus,
خا
yeah, we'll focus on the ghain. We don't say gha. This is one of the most important things because ghain in Arabic we call it heavy letter. Heavy letter, that means the sound should be thick. Saying gha, filling the whole mouth. Saying gha. Okay, we don't have any sounds in Arabic like gha. The same for the next letter, which is the one next letter after ghain is kha, right?
نعم نعم
So for the same for kha, we don't say kha. It's always kha because it's so common actually to hear this thing. Fine. Okay.
نعم نعم غا
Yes. So we
نعم
say هل أتاك
أوكي
حديث الغاشية. Some people actually heard it so many
غاشية
times saying الغاشية or والليل إذا يغشى or يغشى, saying it like close to the kha too, but it should be يغشى or غاشية. Fine. Okay.
نعم نعم
So,
نعم so I would say هل أتاك حديث الغاشية
yes, perfect. Okay. Next one.
okay
Mhm.
خا خي هو
Yes, perfect. The next.
نعم
Uh-huh.
قا قي قو
Perfect. Uh-huh. For the calf.
كا كي كو
Great. Uh-huh.
جا جي جو
MashaAllah. Uh-huh.
شا شي شو
Yes.
يا يي يو
MashaAllah. Okay. Go on here.
صا صي
Focus. It has a dot,
oh
right?
no نعم 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 yes 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 ضا ضي ضو
Great.
لا لي لو
Mm-hmm.
نا ني نو را ري رو
Great.
طا طي طو
Mm-hmm.
دا دي دو
MashaAllah.
تا تا تي تو
Mm-hmm.
صا صي صو
Great.
سا سي سو
Uh-huh.
زا زي زو
MashaAllah.
ظا ظي
Okay, so
ظو
it is just law. No need to circle the lips in case of the fatha. Like law,
okay
the, lu, just in case of the lum. Okay,
نعم نعم ظا ذي ظو
okay, next one.
نعم. ذا ذي ذو
Yes.
ثا ثي ثو.
So, but just focus on this one. You said vu. You made it like close to the law. So it is just thu, thu, the,
ذو.
the,
نعم.
thu. Fine. Okay, that's it
نعم.
today. Inshallah, we're gonna stop here. Next time, I'm gonna focus on the difference between the letters, the heavy and the light letters, and how we can, inshallah, not to mix between the vowels, the different vowels and different letters with fatha and kasra, inshallah. Okay,
إن
so.
شاء